Welcome you again to this episode of an interview where today we are basically going to talk about this question. Tell us about yourself or introduce yourself. This is a good question that most of the candidates are always asked in oral exam or an interview exam. And I want to tell you the answer of this simplest question, where most of the candidates are always confused because they don't know where to start and where to end. If they ask you this question, tell us about yourself or introduce yourself, your answer must be well organized, starting from the names, age, education, and finally to the working experience. Let me give you an example. Starting from the name, you may start by saying, my name is dash dash. You put your name, or I am called, or by names, you put your names. And you go to the age, saying I am 30 years old, for example. You go to the education and you say I schooled at University of dash dash, for example, where I got bachelor degree in economics with education. That is an example. And finally you go to the working experience. And about this working experience, you have to pay attention about that. How? When you talk of the working experience, you are basically going to relate your working experience on what is the job title you are working for. Meaning that, for example, if you want to become a head teacher of a certain school, you cannot become a head teacher if you have never been teaching anywhere else. You cannot become a head teacher if you don't know what is inside in education. You cannot become a head teacher if you don't know teaching and learning practice, how are they conducted. And if you want to become a dean of study, for example, that is another good example. You cannot become a dean of study yet you have never been teaching anywhere. You first know the students. You first be able to coordinate the school activities. You first be able to ensure order and discipline of the school. You first be able to ensure and respect the school timetable. And you have to be able to plan or to make a school timetable if you want to become a DOS, for example. That's why working experience is always highly needed in your interview, and I insist you to focus on that so that whenever you go to pass an interview, you will be able to carry out that. Thank you very much. Have a nice time.